I think the easiest way to navigate tumultuous times like this, where there are a lot of buses traveling on the roads, is to walk slowly and to take a long time to get there, wherever there is. And I think that is really referring to the time horizon for investing. A lot of dislocations that happen from time to time are not necessarily permanent. Of course, there are some structural changes that take place, but a lot of things are cyclical and don't last forever, and that may well be true of this virus as well. And so if you look through the 1 or 2 years it might take for the world to come to terms with the virus and to act accordingly, if you can have at least that longer time horizon, in all likelihood you will be able to deploy capital today, which should do very well in the fullness of time, given how depressed these prices are. It would be fair to say that in the recent days we've had a number of investors ask us about our performance and the market's performance in general. And it's not the first time the market has done something like this, or where we've tested our investors' patience. And so we would remind our investors that this has happened before, and that times like these in particular call for a potentially longer time horizon than might otherwise have been the case. And to capitulate now and take your money out of a stock market and put it into cash is financially ruinous, potentially, relative to having taken your money out in December 2019, when arguably you should have. And so I think patience, it's hard to time the market, and it's very hard to predict exactly what will happen. And one probably shouldn't preoccupy oneself with doing that, and one should just invest for a longer term horizon.